Find the coordinates of foci and the vertices, the eccentricity, the length of the lattice rectum of the hyperbola 5y squared minus 9x squared is equal to 36. So the given equation is, so solution given 5y squared minus 9x squared is equal to 36. Divide the entire equation by 36. Now the equation becomes 5y squared divided by 36 minus 9x squared divided by 36 equal to 36 divided by 36. Okay, so we can rearrange y squared divided by 36 divided by 5. Okay, since we cannot divide 36 by 5 to give 0 as remainder, we can make a rearrangement like y squared divided by 36 divided by 5. Okay, the standard equation of ellipse is y squared divided by a squared minus x squared divided by b squared is equal to 1. Okay, so we have to convert the given equation to the standard form. Okay, to make this as y squared, we have to bring this 5 to the denominator of 36. Okay, so 36 divided by 5 minus, here we can cancel this 1 and 1 9 is 9, 4 9s are 36. Okay, is equal to 36 divided by 36 will be equal to 1. So we can write from this equation to this equation, we can write y squared divided by 36 by 5 minus x squared divided by 4 is equal to 1. Okay, so here y squared is positive, the coefficient of y squared is positive, the coefficient of x squared is negative. Okay, the coefficient of x squared is negative, so the transverse axis is along y axis. Okay, so not x axis, the transverse axis is along y axis. Okay, if we compare y squared divided by a squared minus x squared divided by b squared is equal to 1, we get a squared is equal to 36 divided by 5, b squared is equal to 4. Okay, so on comparison we get a squared is equal to 36 divided by 5, b squared is equal to 4. So from this equation, from this we can write a is equal to plus or minus square root of 36 divided by root 5. So square root of 36 is 6. 6 are 36. Square root of 5 is root 5. Okay, here b squared is equal to 4. So we can write b is equal to plus or minus root of 4, which is equal to 2. Okay, so a is equal to plus or minus 6 by root 5, b is equal to plus or minus root 2. C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So c squared is equal to, the value of a squared is 36 divided by 5, value of b squared is 4. Okay, so c squared is equal to 36 divided by 5 plus 4. Taking LCM, 5 into 4, 20. So c squared is equal to 36 plus 20 divided by 5. So c squared is equal to 36 plus 20 divided by 5 is equal to 56 divided by 5. Okay, so c is equal to plus or minus square root of 56 divided by 5. So if we prime factorize 56, 2 2's are 4, 8, 2, 14. Okay, so we can write square root of 56 is equal to 2 root 14. Okay, 2 root 14. Here we have 2 2's, so we can take one root outside, 2 from outside, and put the 14 inside the root. Okay, so c is equal to plus or minus 2 into root 14 divided by root 5. Okay, plus or minus root 56 divided by root 5. The value of root 56 is plus or minus 2 root 14 divided by root 5. C is equal to plus or minus 2 root 14 divided by root 5. Here the axis is y axis. Okay, axis is y axis, so x value becomes 0. Okay, x coordinate becomes 0. So foci f of 0 comma plus or minus c, that is equal to f of 0 comma plus or minus 2 root 14 divided by root 5. Okay, coordinates of vertices v of 0 comma plus or minus a, the value of a is plus or minus 6 by root 5. Okay, so the coordinates of vertices v of 0 comma plus or minus a, so that is equal to v of 0 comma plus or minus 6 by root 5. Eccentricity E is equal to c by a, so that is equal to the value of c is 2 root 14 divided by root 5, the whole divided by a, the value of a is 6 by root 5. Now cancel root 5, so that is equal to 2 root 14 divided by 6, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so that is equal to eccentricity E is equal to root 14 divided by 3. Length of the lattice rectum is equal to 2b squared by a. The value of b squared is 4, the value of a is 6 by root 5. So that is equal to 2 into 4 divided by 6 by root 5. So this root 5 goes to the numerator. So and 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so this root 5 goes to the numerator and gets multiplied with this 4, so that is equal to 4 root 5 the whole divided by 3. Okay, so this is the length of the lattice rectum.